Kalalong Jingeh mense mi Samla Pule ki ba angnod ban long kum Nonghikai. Da ka balik sya pentibet yala de hapo District Institute of Educational and Training Center Dayat Nongstoiñ. Hadien ba UMLA na Motion Road Constituency uba Methodius Dakar ula pensengau hakamat yatai. Halor ke jingduna ki seat Pule Nonghikai hapo Dayat Nongstoiñ. Kabadon menta tang san phosit. Na ka benta ki laiteli ki district ke taka West Khas Hills, Southwest Khas Hills but Eastern West Khas Hills District. Uba Methodius habai shim benta hakte kamat yatai. Ula pensengau hapo assembly ya ka jing sengau kia ki kme ki kapa. Halor ke Jingeh jing ki Samla Pule hapo Dayat Nongstoiñ. Hakaba ke jingdon ki Samla ki ba apply kala ki ubha kat ba ki bayo pat ki don tang kumbasan hadu 10% EA. Ulong batang na po konstituensi jong u ki don om dunai ka san spangot ki Samla Pule ki ba apply ban yo sya pentibet hakate ka kam. Ndrei ka basngau sin ai kalong batang saungot ki la sya jet ban yo Pule hakate ka jaka. Namar kata ula kentui ke sorkar lingba u education minister ban kam kentiu no ekisi dapo kate ka jaka Pule la kumnu shi spa san pho kisit bat lada duna ru hadu shi spa teli kisit. Ula banjuru ban bu no ka District Institute of Educational and Training Center ha Southwest Khas Hills bat kumju Eastern West Khas Hills nak benta ka jing mentoi ki Samla Pule.
Honorable Deputy Speaker, sir, I would also like to participate and be part of the short duration discussion on the subject with regard to increase in the number of seats in Dayat Nongstoiñ and other districts. Sir, because of the shortage of time, and since most of the point has already been mentioned by the other members of this August House, and especially the Honorable from Maukarwan, the mover of this short duration discussion. So I will not linger around, but I will come and dwell on few of the specific points of concern, the public concern, the parents, and mainly the concern of the students. Sir, as has been mentioned, that Nongstoiñ Dayat was set up way back in 2004, and with the intake capacity of only 50 students since then, and it has remained the same over the year. So over the past 2 decades, with the change of time, the number of schools have increased, the number of teachers have increased, and especially, sir, the number of students has increased considerably. And moreover, sir, with the change in the education system, with the government making it compulsory for any teachers to be recruited in LP or UP schools to have DLED training certificate or qualification. As a result, the number of students seeking admissions in Dayat Nongstoiñ has increased dramatically. However, sir, to their disappointment, this institute could not even accommodate 5 to 10% of the application they receive each year. And this has caused a lot of hardship to the students and disappointment to the parents who want to send their children to pursue a career in teaching. So, as mentioned by the member of from Maukarwan and Nongstoiñ, that under Dayat Nongstoiñ, there are 3 districts. And under these 3 districts, we have 6 CNRD blocks. The practice is to accommodate the number of students from each block equally. Therefore, sir, theoretically, the capacity intake is only 8 students from each CNRD block, whereas we have hundreds of applications from different blocks. So only from my constituency itself, this year, we have not less than 500 applications seeking admission in Nongstoiñ Dayat. And so sadly, our motion to CNRD block comprised of 2 assembly constituency, that is Motion Road and Rambrai. So basically, the number of students that can be accommodated from my constituency was only 4, whereas we have 500 application. So this is far from the seat that we have is too far from fulfilling the expectation of the students and the parents. Therefore, I respectfully request our government and the education department through our dynamic and young education minister to kindly look into this very serious matter concerning the future of our generation and come up with a solution. And so, to ease the problems of obtaining admission in Dayat Nongstoiñ, I would request the government, as has been requested by the other member, to kindly look to increase the number of capacity intake from 50 to at least 150 or to a minimum of 100 seats. And I would request the government to kindly look to set up Dayat Institute in Maukarwat, in Southwest Khasi Hills and Eastern West Khasi Hills district. And also, I may suggest the government to consider in granting permission to the other institution to provide DLED course to aspiring students who want to pursue career in teaching under the guidance of Directorate of Educational Research and Training, DERT. So I will not repeat the other points of concern that has already been highlighted by the other member and mainly by the mover of the short duration discussion. But I would like to state that I support the concern made by the mover of the short duration discussion. So with this few submission, I believe and hope that the government to take a positive step to solve these issues faced by the Dayat in the state and particularly in Nongstoiñ. And so I will conclude by saying that we all believe teacher education plays a vital role in shaping the future of a nation, as educators are responsible for imparting knowledge, skills, and values to the next generation. With these few words, I shall resume my seat.